Mine's white and black.
Let's see the hat.
Like that.
What kind of dog?
I'm a black dog. Something like, I don't know what kind it is, but one's black and one's black and white. So.
Are they related to each other?
No.
Hey, there you are. Hi. Here you are. Were you outside?
Yes.
Is it chilly?
It's windy. I think it'd be fine.
Wow, that's surreal. Where's the bus? You have your animal. We're animal people. We love animals. And we care. Yes.
Nice hat, Natalie. Bella, are you ready for your cake? Bella, are you ready for your cake?
Okay, this one's Bella, that one's Willow.
That one's fluffy? Yes.
Yes.
Quite fluffy. We have a choice of 3 different ones. And we can all decide after we have cake. How about that, Avery? You don't have to have cake. Would you...
Wants chocolate.
I want an M&M! And Bella has a cake too. Except there's not chocolate.
Fighting, that's them playing.
Oh.
That's seriously them playing. That's how they play. Look.
Yeah, I think he used to. I have 2 big dogs, okay, and they play like that.
Yeah.
So they're up on
All
the
they're
front
doing
yard.
is playing.
Scratching each other in the face. Are they pit bulls?
No. Aren't they cute?
Can we have cake now?
Yeah.
I've been
Look how
waiting a
cute
long
they
time
are.
for
I
cake.
can't stand it. Okay.
I don't want